Cleaning up the Diamond City. Every city has its own story. This is the story of Surat, the city in Gujarat, famous for its people skilled in polishing diamonds. Surat is India's fourth cleanest city. It was not so many years back. Surat was known as the plague city. Hundreds of people were infested with this dreaded disease. Tourists were scared to visit this city. The adjoining river Tapti was filled with waste. How did Surat transform into a clean city? This is due to the good work of two government officers, Rao and S Jagadeesan. They set up many centers to clean solid and liquid wastes coming from homes and factories. These centers are now the best in India. Surat has also nurtured greenery. Now, the city has more than 62 gardens, even beneath the flyovers. People visiting Surat are spellbound at the clean roads, free of garbage. Inspired by the officers, the people are keen to develop River Tapti like the River Thames in London, with beautiful walkways and gardens. The two officers have inculcated a sense of pride amongst the people in the city.